She had the scene. Nakita ko. And she was at home. And then she said, Mom, look, I have ganito. Hindi ko napigilan, anak, sorry talaga. Because I am my children's #1 critic. They do good, I tell them. They do bad, I tell them. And constructive naman ako. Hindi naman ako para mamintas lang. May eksena siya, binarel. Sabi niya nung binarel siya, pa!
Oh my God, guys, it was so bad. Sobrang lala talaga.
Napatingin ako ng, what was that?
Did you get scared? O parang nahiya ka ba sa sarili mo na dala ko yung pangalan mo?
No, hindi. No, never. But, parang, stalking ko lang.
She texted me. She was like, anak, wag na wag mo nang uulitin yun.